Jolene, here's your batteries for the transmitter.
Can
For,
I eat them again?
yeah, sure.
We got a little problem, guys.
Here.
But, guys, we have a little problem. We took the wrong batteries. This says 3,000. It was 3,500.
Can you open that one and compare them?
Drive anymore?
Yeah, we can try it.
We just have to wait a little more.
Do you need a knife?
Nah.
Huh?
My nails are sharp. Here they are.
Compare. Like this?
I'm a 10-year-old. I'm a 10-year-old, so don't question anymore. Whoa. Okay, this is much more heavier. But
Is it heavier?
It feels heavier.
I feel it.
Which way? Okay, now this one.
This is lightweight.
Yeah, but then like this one. This way or that way?
One at a time.
It's much more. It's oh my god.
Leo knows how to do it.
It's much more smaller and much more thinner.
Yep. Put it in the car.
Yep. White. Is it charged?
That's not the right way around. It should be in the same way around with a flat side. Look, the flat side towards the spring.
Oh my god, Dad! Look.
That's not the flat side. That's the knob side.
Yeah, but I was gonna put it this way. There's
That way.
lights
Yeah,
on this
that
car.
way, and then you put one more in, and then you do the same here.
Okay.
Put a battery in, Leon.
Yep. Nope, wait.
Then not that way. The other way around.
Dad, can we put in the light so we can?
Yeah. Put the lights in. We haven't charged that one then, so it's just the storage charge, but we can try it. I will just help.
Can I get some help here? Oh, wait, I think I got it. Cannot.
Yes, you can. Like that.
Okay, that looks weird.
We basically just open this car out of the box. Put it on.
It's already on.
It's on. Does it light?
It was-
Is it light on?
Yeah.
Yeah. And can you show me how you drive it? You showed me in the club. What's that? Is that the throttle?
The steering wheel.
Steering wheel?
I like how it's like a tire. It's kind of cool. Yeah. And then.
That's the throttle.
You raise here.
Okay.
I don't know if sometimes in some cars, if you do this way, you can like the car can like back.
Go back,
backwards.
reverse.
Yeah, or for some cars, or for the most cars, it just stops. So it
Brakes.
Yeah, brakes. But for some cars, you just go backwards.
So the boys are
We're
putting the body on.
We're also putting on the lights.
So you put on the lights.
I have no idea how this works. I just need some help with that.
Okay. Then flip
Can I
it.
get
Flip
the camera?
Flip it around. You can hold the camera. And you can aim here. Oh wait, you can aim. So like that.
And I put it in.
And you put it in.
How do you turn it on now?
And you should put this one in on.
Don't we need a battery?
Like that.
But how do we turn it on?
Yeah. How do you turn it on?
How do we get the battery? Is there really battery? Because it's new.
Put your hat on because we're going outside.
It's hot. Outside.
Like this.
Keep on filming. I am filming. I'm not. Oh, oh my god.
Okay, you can have the controller. You can have the phone. And you can do your own YouTube movie.
Yay! Oh my god.
Give that to Leon and you can have the phone.
Why can I not start?
Okay, you can start. Leon, you
No,
can do the
I'm
movie.
driving. No, I'm driving. But I thought I was.
Outside with the lights.
We're going outside now. Oh my god, it's so much snow.
Wow.
It's snow!
Let's go for the street.
Leo, what the heck? What the heck, Leo? What the frick, Leo?
We're gonna do the car now.
Yeah, but he jumped in snow without. He only with pants. Everyone, here's the weather report. It's 10 minus degrees here in Sweden. Ice!
Okay,
Okay, it's time.
it's time. Yeah, you can't drive up the hill because that's too big. But try it on the road.
Come on, Jolene, you got this.
Come on, Jolene.
Whoa. That's my sis. This is my...
Can you go full speed down the road down to Ruth?
Let's try scaring them.
Yeah,
Let's go.
do that.
Let's go.
English.
do you mean 6? Stop with a 6.7. It's quite fast. Wait, I'm coming. Wait for me. Wait. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, we have to help. Helmets. Helmets. Oh my god.
Leon.
So much snow.
Leon. Line. Yeah. Line. Speed.
Where's the car? Oh, there it is.
The car in the line.
Oh my god, I'm getting it.